Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be creating some details for the dial pad. Let's begin by right-clicking on the top housing, select Edit. Now let's roll back above the shell feature. Right-click, insert a sketch. Take a normal 2 view, and let's insert a spline. It's going to go through the center of this button. Right-click and select. Let's insert a second spline now, from the center of the LCD again to the center of the button on the other side. Right-click and select. Now a 3-point arc. Right-click and select to close the arc tool. Let me adjust the sketch a little bit. Let's shift-select the 2 bottom points and add a horizontal relation, OK. Let's add a construction line as well. Right-click, select to close the tool. Select the line and apply a vertical relation. And let's apply dimensions. 62 millimeters here. OK. Let's make this dimension 66 millimeters. OK. This distance between these 2 points here will be 35 millimeters. Accept. Let's exit the sketch and go to the Surfaces tab. Activate the Extruded Surface command. End condition will be mid-plane. Let's use a 70-degree draft angle and check the Draft Outward option. The depth will be 12 millimeters. Let's click OK. And this concludes our first lesson about the dial pad details. We'll be polishing this up in our next lesson.